Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to the Propips YouTube channel once again. Here we talk about Forex, day trading, some powerful concepts, and everything you need to know about finance to step up your game. Today, we're going to be talking about NFP. Now, for those of you who don't know what NFP is, it stands for Non-Farm Employment Change. It's a document that comes out once in a month that is observed by every trader, hedge fund, and financial institution. And today, I'm going to teach you how to trade NFP live. Quick disclaimer, if you're a beginner or if you're just relatively new to Forex, I recommend that you stay out of it as NFP can cause insane amounts of volatility in the Forex market. Today, we're going to be trading US 30 and you're going to have a look at how we traded US 30 live, how me and my VIP members made some money. Enjoy. In exactly 24 minutes, we're going to see what the NFP move is going to be. I am having a sell bias for the day, and I'm expecting a negative NFP report pushing US 30 to the downside. So September 1st is where you really start to analyze. The first document you want to take a look at is the ADP non-farm employment change. If you were not aware how to trade NFP, or about NFP in general, there's 2 videos dedicated in the mentorship program just based on this topic. Nonetheless, I can see that we have a clear negative report, right? The actual is lesser than forecast. So that's a negative number. I'm not going to go into detail. Everything's available in the mentorship program. So yeah, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. We can see that actual is lesser than forecast, which is bad for currency. So let's go back to trading view. September 1st is around here. Here you can take a look that the news had come out and a bearish move. So all in all, easily over 200 pips. Just based on that document, around 215 pips. The next document you want to take a look at is the unemployment claims. Very, very important. And you want to take a look at the effect. So I click on the document. What is the effect? Actual less than forecast is good for currency. That means if this number, this actual number over here, is lesser than what is predicted, that is good for the currency. So we have the forecast 342 and the actual number that came through is 340, right? What does this mean? That it is good for forecast. Actual less than forecast is good for currency. Let's go back to the charts. Over here is 8 a.m. and boom, this beautiful bullish candle at 8:30. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Number one, we know that the ADP was bearish. All right. So this is the document that, caused this move. Then we know the unemployment claims is bullish. So I marked my trend lines on the H1. I took a look that it's in a rising wedge. I can see that this trend line has now been broken officially because of a candle closure right below this brick wall. I scale down to my M30, and another thing that I could see happening is that it's starting to get a lot of momentum to push to the downside. So I still think that there's going to be a small move to the upside before it really pushes down. But it shouldn't break this brick wall over here. Like, this should not break. Okay, that's what I think will happen. All right, I'd say a small move to test this once again, maybe a nice double top, and then we can have a move to the downside. But I'm pretty confident that it should move to the downside. Yeah, VIP is looking pretty good, for the month, even though August is considered one of the hardest months to trade. It is looking pretty decent. Let's see what happens. Everyone's making money in the VIP. Beautiful trade. I just explained everything that went on, and as you guys can see, exactly the way we predicted it. We predicted a small upside move and then a nice move to the downside. The VIP, they've been catching these bags. You can see the signal right over here. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, 1 to 5 risk to reward. Beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed that and learned something. Keep in mind that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I have so many more powerful concepts and strategies that I want to teach you all. So make sure that you consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and even comment down your thoughts if you want to see a much more detailed version of us trading NFP, explaining each and every step with depth. Apart from that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on to the next one. Cheers and have a good weekend.